welcome to today's video for Nena's Bubble. We're going to be doing this tumblers and using my cricut machine. Really easy. Let's get to it.
For this project, you're obviously going to need your containers, your water jugs, your water cups, whatever you're going to use them. I bought them from the dollar store. They are BPA free. This one I bought it a while ago already, so I'm not sure if you're going to find this particular style of bottle. And I have these other ones. You're obviously going to need your laptop or computer or tablet, however you use your Cricut machine. I have my Cricut machine right here, and your desired color of vinyl. And then of course I'm going to be using white because that's the most one that actually is going to stand out from these colors. You can also like do these little ones that are more affordable because those ones are $1 each, but this one comes in a pack of 2, so they're really nice to personalize. Like I'm going to be doing their names, but of course you can also do figures and things like that, like I showed you at the beginning. So let's get started.
So we're going to go and open our Wix program and then get our wording and choose our font over here. I'm trying to get a font that is easy to peel off and is readable. It's not going to be hard to peel out, and it's nice and cute. Once we have one on Windows, we are going to just Control and C for copy and paste. Control C, Control V, and we just replace the name to the other name, and we already have it done when we have chosen the font. And we just do all of our names and make sure that they're all going to fit in our sheet of paper. Mine is not the 12 by 12, is the 12 by 12. It's a little bit shorter. I wanted the words to be a little bit closer to each other, so I'm going to select them all and kind of make them all into one, kind of like an all one object, because right here they're all crumped up to each other, and I don't want that, because then it'll be one complete word. So I'm going to make sure they're a little bit apart and a little bit thinner, and then select all, and then we're going to wedge them together and have one object. And you can see now we have separate names, and we get to cut them on the Cricut. We go ahead and set ready to cut, and make sure it's connected to the computer. Click go and click the little Cricut little C, and it'll start cutting away. I'm going to get the transfer paper. This is transfer tape that I got from Amazon. I like this one because it has those lines, and it helps me align letters a little bit better without having to get a ruler or marking the middle. I forgot to take out the backing tape on the back and use the wrong blade and super cut that thing, so make sure you remember to do that. Once you put it in the transfer tape, it's easy to get your tumbler, your bottle, whatever thing you have, kind of decide where the name will be, and just stick it, and make sure you stick it really well. Use your little tool there to make it go really tight on the thing. They tend to stay really nicely there. You can also protect them with, I don't know, some air Mod Podge or something like that to make it more secure. But either way, like that is super fine. And of course it's hand wash, not machine wash, and I get to do all of them. Very easy and very quick to do, and everything, all of your tumblers are personalized and super cute. On this one, on Yaretsi, I ended up taking that Yaretsi off and put it in the smaller cup. not on the video, but on like in reality, I took him out and then put him on another cup. But that's how they all end up to be. Super cute. This project is super fun, super quick, and inexpensive, and you get to have a very personal thing. And hopefully you guys like this video. Comment down below what was your favorite bottle. And remember to click subscribe, click the little bell to notify you when I have a video, and I will see you next time. Bye.